What's going on, guys? We're back for another tutorial video. Today we are bringing you our tutorial guide on how to customize cleats. We're going to be teaching you guys all about the prep work you have to do to knock out any cleat for any level of athlete. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how you can make something like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so today we're going to be working with a pair of Nike Vapor Untouchable cleats. The first thing you're going to want to do with any pair of cleats is remove the laces and the insoles if you think you're going to be doing any work near the tongues or sock liners. So one of the next steps that you're going to want to take is grab something like a Scotch-Brite pad so that you can really scuff up the surface of the cleats. Scuffing them up will really give something for the paint to grab onto, so what you want to do is have a product like acetone or Angelus's deglazer nearby. You pour that onto the Scotch-Brite pad and then you can scuff up the entire surface of the cleat. Really go to town with it, scrub really hard all the way around a few coats, and you don't need to worry too much about ruining them in any which way. A lot of these synthetic surfaces are really used to taking a beating, so this is just going to really help you overall to make a better durable cleat that can last on the field. After this, you're going to want to take cotton balls, mix those with the acetone, and go ahead and try to pick up all the debris left behind from the Scotch-Brite pad. Following step is the step that you are most likely missing if you have not been able to create wearable custom cleats. What you're going to want to do is take a detail sander or a palm sander and have a few levels of sandpaper nearby. You're going to want to start with something around 400 to 600 grit, move up to a 600 to 800 grit, and then have an ultra fine something like 1400 to 1600 grit. What these levels of sandpaper are going to do is help really create a smooth, even surface for the paint to adhere to. And if you're going to be doing any vinyl or stencil work up top, using that ultra fine grit is really going to help when you go to remove that vinyl and just making sure that none of your paint comes up with it. So you're going to want to start with the lowest grit, the 400 to start, go all the way around a few times, move on to the 600 to 800 grit. After that, move up to your ultra fine grit, and then make sure you go around with a cotton ball after that to remove all that debris too. Alright guys, we are now at the final step, so here's where you're going to want to tape off your sole and any other areas that you won't be painting. You definitely want to try to avoid painting soles whenever possible, because this would be the first thing that comes off as soon as these touch the field. Before you lay down any paint, you're also going to want to make sure that you put down a couple coats of adhesion promoter. Now that we've taught you all about the prep, the rest of the painting and design is totally up to you, but go ahead, sit back, relax, strap it down, and watch a behind the scene look at ours. Alright, we hope you guys enjoyed that. We had a lot of fun making this video. One of our subscribers actually sent in the request for this video to be made. We really enjoy taking requests and feedback from you guys, so let us know what other topics you'd like covered. Go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you aren't already. We'll see you guys in the next one.